Welcome to Don's Manufactory. Going for a little drive. Gonna pick up Steve from FootageFactory from the airport. I was gonna say, yeah, you can't miss me.
Yeah, see, I've been waiting.
That's the only bag?
That's it.
Holy crap! How do you manage that? Well, I guess you got clothes at the house.
I do. I've got enough stuff here.
Well, hi, FootageFactory.
What?
It's Don's Manufactory.
This thing is in a lot nicer condition than you can even pick up the detail up for on the internet. How you doing?
I'm doing okay.
Are you tired?
No.
Like I was saying on the YouTube the other day, you have pivoted on your niche so nice. And it's weird because you get almost more clicks, you know?
Yeah, well, after it's settled down after that guitar, you know, the thing that was bringing in the views was the 53 Les Paul. Because, you know, there was like 14,000 here, 8,000 there, and so that's what brought in the views. And as soon as I got done with that, it was just back to the usual, you know, oh, 300 views, okay, you know, just my usual crowd, as it were.
This thing is so nice. Oh my God.
Yeah, it's a driver slash drag racer. I mean, I go drag racing in it just because it's fun, but it's not really a race car.
Is that a Dakota Digital or is that an OE?
That's all, well, it's kind of OE. It's got Stuart Warner Stage 3s for the water temp and oil pressure. And I just put them in behind the regular bezel, so it just looks factory.
My neighbors are going to be like, when they see this pull, they're at 12 o'clock at night.
Oh yeah, it's not that loud.
No, it's not, but it's definitely weird.
Probably get the cops called on us.
You know? So what exhaust do you have? Oh, so nice. What exhaust do you have on this? Because I'm at a stage on my 68, it's so loud. And I don't like that anymore, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I've done that. I don't want to do that.
No, this is just, oh, it's so nice.
Seattle only. I take it we're heading north.
Yeah, yep.
So we're sporting the new brake master cylinder, so I'm paying a lot of attention to my brake pedal.
Oh, yeah, I bet you are.
Like,
How's it
well,
going? How's it going?
so far, so good. I don't know if people realize that when you go to a dual master cylinder, you've got to change all the geometry.
It rides so nice. Oh, it's so nice.
But it's not too loud.
No, it's almost perfect. It felt so tight.
Yeah.
Suspension.
It is. Well,
Oh my God.
everything's new, and I redesigned. I re-engineered the front end. So even though it looks all factory up there,
It's so nice.
everything's different.
It rides like brand new. What engine's in this?
302.
302.
And the heads, I ported them, put 351 Windsor valves in back in the 80s. So it would have, then I milled them too, so it's got 53 cc chambers and
Intake?
and 53 cc combustion chambers. So the compression's up around 10.
Oh yeah.
2 or so. I have no idea what it flows because I was just a backyard porter,
Yeah.
a home do-it-yourself kind of guy.
Neighbors are just gonna be like, what the hell? If they're even up. So how you live really close to the airport?
Well, I live out in southeast Portland, so yeah, I can just jump right up on 205 and I'm right there.
I was even asking my wife, should I have brought a jacket? Yeah.
It was, let's see, it was 96 2 days ago. It was only 88 today. But it's still getting down because it's early in the season, so it's 60, 58 at night, Perfect. It's perfect. And no rain, finally.
When did it stop raining?
About a week ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Really recent.
Yeah. So your timing couldn't be better.